Somebody told me that it couldn't be done, but I smiled and then I replied that I would be the one who wouldn't say no until at least I tried. So I started right in with the trace of a grin. I had fears and doubts, but I hid it. Then I started to sing as I tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and I did it. Somebody told me, "Nah, man, you'll never do that. No one has ever done it." But I took off my hat, I took off my coat, and before I knew it, I had begun it. With the lift of my chin and the trace of a grin, I had fears and doubts, but I hid it. I started to sing as I tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and I did it. Hey, look, there are thousands to tell you that it can't be done. There are thousands that will forecast your failure. There are thousands to tell you, one by one, the fears and dangers that wait to assail you. But you just buckle in with the trace of a grin, take off your hat and coat, and go to it. Just start to sing as you tackle the thing that couldn't be done, and you'll do it